Lamborghini has not replaced the Huracan so much as it has reimagined what the entry point to the brand should feel like. The Temerario is the second model in what is now a fully hybridized lineup, and in person, finished in matte gray with neon yellow accents. It makes an argument that the V10 era is not just over but genuinely outdone. The front end is where the biggest departure happens. Hexagonal daytime running lights sit deep in the bumper, flanking an aggressive lower intake that stretches nearly the full width of the car. Carbon fiber lines the front splitter, and a neon yellow lip traces the entire lower edge, giving this specification a motorsport energy that press photos did not fully communicate. I think this is one of the better executed front ends in the current supercar segment. From the side, the proportions are closer to the Revuelto than the Huracan. The car is noticeably longer and wider, and that extra size is visible in the way the rear haunches push outward behind the doors. The Y-shaped design language carries over from the Revuelto, visible in the air intakes and the way the bodywork folds around the rear wheels. Gloss black wheels with neon yellow accents fill the arches completely. The Temerario carries 907 horsepower and roughly 880 pounds more than the Huracan, so the added visual mass is doing real engineering work underneath. If breakdowns like this help you decide, subscribe so you catch the next one. At the rear, the Temerario does something only a handful of supercars attempt. The rear wheels are partially exposed through cutouts in the bodywork, giving the car a race-ready stance the Huracan never had. An active rear spoiler sits above an engine bay visible through a mesh panel, letting you see the twin turbocharged 4.0-liter 5.8 behind the cabin. Below, a carbon fiber diffuser runs between hexagonal exhaust surrounds that mirror the front DRL shapes. That consistency between front and rear gives the car a visual coherence that many mid-engine supercars struggle with. The added size does make the Temerario feel bigger in person than the Huracan. 880 pounds heavier, you can see it in the wider stance and taller greenhouse. But the design team has kept the visual mass low, with dark panel work along the sills and a neon accent line drawing the eye downward. Seeing this car at a Bucharest dealer event rather than a controlled studio tells you where Lamborghini sees it fitting. Deliveries are underway, the waitlist stretches into next year, and for the first time in the brand's history, every car in the range is electrified. Whether the V8 hybrid formula generates the same emotional response as the V10 is the one question nobody can answer from a walk-around. But, standing next to it, the engineering ambition is impossible to miss. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.